Want to know the top secrets to personal development? Picture this: a life where you're constantly evolving, growing, and reaching new heights. That's the power of personal development. It's not just about achieving your goals, but also transforming into the best version of yourself. The journey may seem daunting, but don't worry, we're about to make it a whole lot easier. Curious? Excited? You should be. Stay tuned as we unveil the top secrets to personal development. Secret number 1: embrace change. This is the cornerstone of personal growth. Life is an ever-evolving journey. It tosses us into the sea of uncertainty and change. When we resist this change, we stagnate, but when we accept and embrace it, we grow. Change allows us to adapt, evolve, and develop new perspectives. It's a chance to learn, to grow, to become better. So, welcome change like an old friend. Embrace it with open arms. Remember, change is the only constant in life. Secret number 2: never stop learning. In the vast expanse of life, there's always something new to discover. Embrace the joy of gaining fresh knowledge and skills. It's food for your mind, a catalyst for personal development. Whether it's a new language, a fascinating book, or a challenging course, each new learning experience enriches your life, broadening your perspective. It keeps you engaged, curious, and forever young at heart. So remember the wisdom of the ages. Knowledge is power. Keep learning, keep growing. Secret number 3: set clear goals. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. Sounds aimless, right? That's what personal development can feel like without clear, achievable goals. When we set tangible goals, we lay down stepping stones on our path to growth. They serve as markers of progress, encouraging us to consistently move forward. By identifying what we wish to achieve, we can create a roadmap to reach those milestones. Goals give direction to your personal development journey. Secret number 4: embrace failure. Failure, believe it or not, is a stepping stone to success. It's the universe's way of nudging you in the right direction. When you stumble, you learn. You gain a fresh perspective, new insights, and the wisdom to navigate your journey better. Each failure is a lesson, a guide, showing you what works and what doesn't. So, don't shy away from it, embrace it. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Secret number 5: practice gratitude. The act of acknowledging the good in your life can manifest a positive mindset, a vital tool in personal development. It's about appreciating the small things, recognizing the kindness of others, and realizing the abundance that surrounds you. This practice of gratitude not only cultivates a sense of contentment, but also fosters resilience, enabling you to tackle challenges head-on. It's a simple, yet profound shift in perspective that can create ripples of positivity in your life. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Secret number 6: stay healthy. Let's not forget the age-old saying that health is wealth. Maintaining physical health isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about having the energy and vitality to chase your dreams and accomplish your goals. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate rest are key components of a healthy lifestyle. Remember, your body is the vehicle that carries you through this journey of personal development. A healthy body houses a healthy mind. Secret number 7: be persistent. The road to personal growth isn't always smooth. There will be bumps, detours, and roadblocks. But remember, success isn't just about reaching your destination, it's about the journey. It's about consistently showing up, even when things get tough. It's about standing firm in the face of adversity and pushing forward, no matter what. It's about embracing the grind and never, ever giving up. Because when you're persistent, you're unstoppable. Persistence guarantees that results are inevitable. Secret number 8: seek feedback. Imagine having a map that pinpoints your strengths and highlights your weaknesses. That's what feedback is. It's like a compass guiding you towards improvement. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become the best version of yourself. Don't shy away from it, embrace it. Remember, nobody's perfect, but with constructive criticism, we can all get a little closer. So, always be open to feedback, because as the saying goes, feedback is the breakfast of champions. Secret number 9: stay positive. Keeping an optimistic perspective is key. Remember, hurdles are simply stepping stones to success. By nurturing a positive outlook, we empower ourselves to conquer any challenge that comes our way. A positive mind leads to a positive life. Secret number 10: believe in yourself. The most powerful tool in your personal development kit is self-belief. It's the fuel that drives you towards your goals, the light that guides you through uncertainty. Believe in yourself, and the rest will fall into place. And that wraps up our top 10 secrets to personal development. From embracing change to believing in yourself, these simple yet powerful steps can be a game changer in your life. Start now, one step at a time, and watch how these secrets can unlock your full potential. Your journey to personal development begins today. Don't forget to comment below on which secret you found most useful. And remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with more helpful content like this.